Hey guys, it's Candy back with another video. Welcome to my channel. And for those who have been super duper tired of seeing crochet videos, today is your lucky day because I am doing something other than crochet. Can you believe it? Yes, so I am parting off her hair because I will be doing some twists, yes, with regular braiding hair. This hair is the Ultra Expression braiding hair in the length 52 inches in the color 1B. And I'm using my Shine and Jam magic fingers just to smooth their hair down at the root. So the first thing you want to do is to split the hair into two pieces. And the hair in the right, I will twist to the right, and the hair in my left hand, I will twist to the left. And then I start to overlap, roll, overlap, roll. So each time you overlap the hair, you make sure you roll the hair before you're overlapping, and that's what is going to give you that roped look. Yeah, these are rope twists, otherwise known as Senegalese twists. So you have to pay attention to the fact that it is important to roll them. If you do not roll the hair, it will actually not be tight enough, and once you release the twist, it will become sometimes undone, or it will just have a less defined look. Yeah, so another thing that you want to do is make sure that you are twisting the hair all the way to the ends. Yes, you cannot cut corners unless you're planning to curl the ends or something. Make sure that you twist it to the ends. Yeah, so this is the first one. So I'm going to be moving on to another method for installing the twist, and this is the method that I stuck with moving forward. Yes, I did split the hair in half like I started, and then I also started twisting the hair in the right to the right, but the hair in the left, I also twist that hair to the right. So both pieces of hair are going in the same direction towards the right. Yes. So once I do that and I start overlapping, everything else remains the same. I am just making sure to smooth down her hair because her hair is of a natural texture. The braiding hair is a little bit straighter, so you want to ensure that you are smoothing down the natural hair while you are twisting it, so that you're not seeing frizzy hair protruding out of the twists, right? So as you can see, I'm rolling and overlapping, rolling, overlapping, and just continue to twist all the way to the very end. Every milli inch of that braiding hair ought to be twisted. There's no two ways about it. All right. You don't want any unraveling twists. So that is it. All right. So we are at the top. So again, place the hair on her hair that has been split in two. Twist the right to the right and the left also to the right. So if you're noticing what I'm saying, both pieces of hair are moving in the same direction. Yes. And then once you roll it in such a way that it is secured to her hair, then you start to overlap them. I am adding my product, making sure to smooth her hair down while we twist and continue. Roll, overlap, roll, overlap, roll, overlap. And that will make sure that your twists are super neat. Just continue to practice if it is something that you're trying to learn. I'm not sure. I don't get a lot of people asking for rope twist anymore, so I feel like they are not as popular, but I'm pretty sure that people still get them done, or people still do them in their own heads. So if this is something that you've been trying to learn, and what I know is that some people also start their twist off with a braid. I am not a fan of that look, and so I don't do that method, but that is something that you can also do if you're having issues starting off your twist with a twist. Then by all means go ahead and start it off with a braid. But if you've been wanting to try, yeah, if you wanted to try to do that knotless twist method, then that's how you guys would do it. Yeah, and this size is actually medium large. It's not fully large. Large is a little bit bigger, and it's not medium because medium is a little bit smaller. So I call them medium large or large. Yeah, large, medium large. All right, so this is the last one for you guys. Yes, and as you can see, make sure that the hair is secured in place before you start to twist it. Very important. And guys, for this look, you definitely want to get at least 2 packages. I did use, I think, 2 packs and a little piece. Yeah, and each pack had, I think, three bundles in it. So it depends on how many bundles is in the package that you purchase. But I think in all, I did use just about 6 bundles and a little piece. Yeah, so 6 bundles could do the trick for sure if you're trying to get this amount of hair. Of course, adjust as necessary if you wanted less hair or more hair. Yes. All right, so pretty much I am done with that portion of the video. So now I'm moving on to the hot watering, which is a step that you cannot skip. Okay, so if you can notice, the braiding hair is somewhat stiff and doesn't have that movability, not very natural looking. And so you have to make sure that you put the hair in hot water, and that will definitely correct that issue. And of course, for any flyaways, you can add some mousse, and that just helps to give the hair also a nice healthy shine. Guys, forgive my voice. I am struggling because I'm just trying to get over a cold. Yes. All right, so this is the outcome of the style. Yes, child. As you can see, this is how the hair turned out. The twists are very consistent in size. That is another thing that you have to make sure you master is estimating the size of the hair that you're installing so that they look uniform. You don't want some looking super skinny, some looking super big. All right. So yes, guys, that is the outcome of my rope twist. And again, I'm going to give you another 360. Yes. Bring the hair to the front for them, girl. Uh-huh. But this is the look for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for always, showing me love on my videos. Until next time, bye.